Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss a case on the abetment to commit suicide, which relates to section 306 of the Indian Penal Code. The Supreme Court reiterated that it is a mental act, it is an active act where the incitement should be there, the active participation should be there, the force will be such that there is no other go to the deceased except to commit suicide. Otherwise, we cannot attribute the so-called abetment of suicide to the accused, and it will become a travesty of justice. This is what is enunciated by Honorable Supreme Court of India while disposing the case of Kanchan SARMA versus State of UP in Criminal Appeal number 1022 by 2021 on 17th September 2021 by two judges R. Subhash Reddy and Honorable Justice Hrishikesh Roy. Friends, the Honorable Supreme Court of India have umpteen number of times given the difference between the provocation and the abetment. So the act should be direct. So the abetment, the incitement should be directed. So in Telugu I will tell you, ఒక అత్తగారు తన కోడలతో నువ్వు చచ్చిపోతే మా అబ్బాయికి వేరే అమ్మాయినిచ్చి పెళ్లి చేస్తాను అందనుకోండి, ఎస్, ఇట్ ఇస్ అన్ అబెట్మెంట్ టు కమిట్ సూసైడ్. అంతేగాని నువ్వు తక్కువ కట్నం తెచ్చావు, నువ్వు లేకుండా ఉంటే మా అబ్బాయికి ఎక్కువ కట్నం వచ్చేది, నిన్ను పెళ్లి చేసుకోవటం వల్ల మావాడు ఇబ్బంది పడ్డాడు అన్నారనుకోండి, it is only harassment, it is not an abetment to commit suicide. So this much of difference you should know, right? Here it is a peculiar case. సహజంగా మనమంతా చూస్తూనే ఉంటాము, లవ్ అఫైర్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. జరిగినప్పుడు అమ్మాయికి ఇష్టం లేకుండా అబ్బాయి వన్ సైడెడ్ లవ్ ఉంటుంది, షీ విల్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్ట్. సో అప్పుడు అతను ఈ అమ్మాయి ఇంటి మీదకి వచ్చి నువ్వు నన్ను ప్రేమించకపోతే పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటా అనకపోతే నేను మందు బాటిల్ తాగి చచ్చిపోతానంటే చావు పువ్వు అన్నప్పుడు వాడు మందు బాటిల్ తాగి చనిపోయాడు అనుకోండి, విల్ ఇట్ కమ్ అండర్ అబెట్మెంట్ సూసైడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ హియర్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఇన్ టు ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కేస్, it will be easy for you to appreciate, right? So here Kanchan SARMA, she has filed the case. She is the accused, I'm sorry. Kanchan SARMA is the accused, right? It so happened that this deceased person, so he has been actually moving around her or moving behind this woman without her knowledge, sometimes with her knowledge, but which she refused. She is not willing to have any relationship with him, but still he is interested in her. So the brother of that person who died, he gave a report on 4/5/2018 stating that the deceased was called to the house of the accused Kanchan SARMA, right? So his name is Vikas. The name of the deceased is Mr. Vikas, right? So as per the FIR, the deceased was called to the house of the accused, where the accused, her parents, her sister and others literally abused him, categorically abused him, and in the name of his caste also, and forcefully administered poison, due to which, of course, he having taken the poison, here there was reaction, he was shifted to the hospital, but there also he could not survive because of the negligence of the doctors. 2 points. Number 1, administration of poison by the Kanchan SARMA and her parents, others, and second is death due to the negligence of the doctors of the hospital. Of course, immediately the police registered a case in crime number 278 by 2018 under section 328 administration of poison, 302 murder case, and section 3 class 2 subclass 5 of the SCST Prevention of Atrocity Act 1989. So this was registered in TP Nagar police station in Meerut district. This is in UP, Meerut district, right? Of course, after due investigation, the police filed the charge sheet under section 306 of the IPC. So because of the abetment, he has committed the suicide, abetment by the accused. Now then she has approached, a case was registered, then she has approached the Honorable High Court of Allahabad and filed a petition under section 482 CRPC. You know that is clashment. It was not allowed, it was dismissed. Ultimately, the matter came to the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court has perused over the entire documents and found the following points. These points are important. Please listen carefully. Number one, except the self-serving statements of the witnesses, that is, deceased brother and others, no other cogent evidence that A maintained relation with the D. That means that the accused Kanchan SARMA, so there is no evidence to say that she maintained relations with the deceased. Number two, it is clear or it is evident that on the day of incident, that is on 4/5/2018, the deceased went to the house of the accused with a small poison bottle and consumed it. This was seen by the other ocular witnesses. So here, with no doubt, she has refused his connection. 100% true. But without any positive act, if she has stated that, come on, you die, it is better you die, like that, at least you can say that section 306 will apply. Without any positive act, so it cannot be called as abetment. So abetment, point number 4, abetment involves mental process of instigating a person or aiding a person. Number 5, without positive act, of course, so no one can be convicted. So it is nothing, it would become travesty of justice if the person is charged under 306 IPC. Here, no doubt, she did not develop the relations with the deceased person. She did not ask him to come to his house. Having come, she has refused to go with him. Even though deceased came there, she refused. So aggrieved by this or felt infuriated by this, he might have committed suicide. That shows his mentality, that shows his weak mentality. That's all. She has not committed any abetment to commit suicide. So therefore the quash orders are allowed and the orders given by the Honorable High Court of Allahabad have been also set aside. So very good judgment. Please, if you find time, read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.